In this video, you will learn to create colorful square pattern in CorelDRAW.
Hey there creators, Orlando here. I welcome you back to the Creators World channel where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel where we post new videos each and every week to help you build your creative portfolio. You can like, share and comment on any of our videos and hit the notification button so you will not be left out of the creative development process. In this video, we are diving into a super fun and creative project on how to create colorful square patterns in CorelDRAW. Whether you are designing for backgrounds, textiles, or digital art, these patterns are bold, eye-catching, and very easy to make even if you are a beginner. Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
Draw a square and set the angle of rotation to 45 degrees and the size to 30 by 30 millimeters. Fill it with red. Make a copy and fill it with yellow and set the width to 25 millimeters. Using the Smart Fill tool, fill up the area as you see on the screen and delete the yellow object. Select the gray object and fill it with black. Apply a gradient effect, a Gaussian blur of about 10 pixels and power clip it into the red diamond shape. You can readjust for better results. Now position our shape to the top part of the page and make a copy. Now holding the left anchor point, drag it till it snaps to the bottom part of the first shape. As you see on the screen, keep making copies and position them as you see on the screen. We shall need about 6 copies with different colors. Now select the first shape and copy the gradient fill that I already prepared. So you can always give it your own gradient colors. I did it this way just to save time on this tutorial. So when you are done, select all of them and group and make copies of them and reposition them as you see on the screen. Remember, you copy once to clipboard, but you can paste several times. So keep doing this till we fill up the whole page. Great. Now that we are done, let's select all and group. Draw a rectangle and give it a width of 15 millimeters and a height of 210 millimeters. Give it a black to white gradient fill. So go for the interactive fill tool and apply just as you see on the screen. Let's change the positions of the colors. So we set the right one to black and the left one to white. Let's take away the outline of the rectangle and give it a transparency with the mode, set the mode to multiply. And then let's align it to the right of our diamond shape. So using shift, holding down shift, select the diamond shape that we've grouped and press L to align it to the left. Let's go to Windows Dockers and open our transform Docker and make some copies of our rectangle. So let's set it to the right and make about 10 copies. Okay, so we'll need 2 more. Let's add 2 more. Awesome. Now select all the rectangles and go back to the transparency and give it a uniform transparency. Great. Now let's group all of them. So now select all the colored squares and the rectangles and group as one object. And just move them off the page for the meantime, because it has a lot of information and depending on your RAM, it will take a bit of time. Let's double click on the rectangle tool to create a rectangle shape on the page. And let's power clip a rectangle into our page. Let's cut our design and go to edit our bitmap, our power clip image, and paste our square designs into it. Reposition it so that it fills the entire page. And we are done. Hit finish. Awesome. Congratulations, you just created your colorful square pattern designs. I would love to see what other colors or what other color schemes you created. Yes, we forgot to take away the outlines for our squares. So go back into your power clip image, select all and take away the outline. If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.